Hello guys, what is going on? techroomuk here. So for today's video we have a portable hard drive. This is a 1 TB portable hard drive from a company called ModusTech. It supports USB 3.0, USB Type-C, and this is how it looks. I will show you guys in a bit more once we take it out of the box. It has some pretty cool features. Besides being USB Type-C, also comes with an adapter, and it supports Mac, Xbox, phones, laptop, Windows slash desktop, or your basically any Windows device. So it can be like a mini PC, a laptop, full desktop, and the PlayStation. And we have some info right here on the side. It says 2.5-inch hard drive, plug and play, high speed. So basically supports the full speed of a hard drive, a mechanical hard drive. We have a USB Type-C interface. The color is black. Compatibility all gaming consoles, PC, Mac, and laptops. These are the dimensions right here, and the weight is 203 grams. Manufacturer details we can see right here. ModusTech Global Limited in the UK. And pretty much that's it. So let's go ahead now and take it out of the box. I will show you guys what you get inside and how everything looks like. So let's go ahead and do that right now. Okay, so after opening the box, this is pretty much what we get. We have some instruction cards right here. So basically we have this one first. We have reformatting the hard drive, the included info for everything you need for Windows, Mac, Android, PC, PlayStation, smart TVs, and everything. That's really handy, so you know the exact formats you have to format it before you use it. But for Windows, it should be basically plug and play. If you don't find it, you navigate to My Computer, Device Management, and Disk Management, but it should work straight away for Windows. More info right here on the other side, and right here we have a quick troubleshooting guide. This is what you need to do just in case it's not working for you, or the data transfer speed is not as high as you'd expect. If you have any other trouble, scan the QR code, or you can email them at info@modustech.com. They also offer 1-year warranty, which is pretty nice. They have included a USB Type-C to USB Type-C cable, which has a Type-A adapter, just in case you don't have enough USB Type-C ports available on your device. Type-A basically works with everything. Each modern PC should have a couple, so we wouldn't lack the capability of connecting it. And this is the hard drive itself. I really like the diamond design. I think it looks really good. It's super lightweight. As they said, it's 203 grams. They have some foam inside for shock absorbing, just in case you drop it. I wouldn't recommend dropping it to test it out, but just in case you do, just know they got you covered. I would suggest just have it on a flat surface while it's in use, because obviously hard disks are like a spinning disk inside, and that's how hard disk works. And we have a USB Type-C port right here. This is the port you connect the cable to, and then you connect it to your device. And we have a bit of branding on the top, ModusTech, and pretty much that's it. I really love the design, and it feels really good. Round edges, it looks absolutely amazing. So yeah, pretty much that's it. Let's go ahead and test everything out. So I'm gonna connect it to a USB Type 3 port on my PC, and we are going to try to transfer maybe a video from our desktop to it. So let's go ahead and do that right now. Okay, so to connect it was really simple. All you have to do is plug the USB Type-C cable into the hard drive on the port that I just showed you, and then connect it to your device, to any USB Type-C or USB Type-A 3.0 port available, and it will work straight away. As you can see, it already popped up on my screen. It says 1 TB hard drive, and it also shows next to my drive 1 TB hard drive. As you can see, we have 931 gigs available out of 931, so it comes empty all the time. And pretty much that's it. It's super easy to use. Basically, it's plug and play. I'm going to go ahead now and transfer a file. So I'm gonna transfer one of the videos that I have already filmed and uploaded to the drive from my desktop. So this will come from an SSD to the hard drive. So basically, let's choose this video right here. We just drag it in there, just works straight away. As you can see, it's pretty fast. We're getting between 40 and 50 megabytes a second. And that's it. It literally took 10 seconds for a 600 megabyte file. Everything you want to add, you can just add it, drag it in there, or you can even create folders. If you right click on any empty space, you do new folder, you name it. For example, we shall name this one videos. As you can see, you press enter. Then if the videos or the files are already on the hard drive, all you have to do is basically just drag them just like so, and they will go into that folder. No other transfer needed. And I think it's super simple. If we drag another video, for example, into that folder, it will go straight into the folder. Let me make sure the camera is focusing. There we go, the transfer has started. Now it's getting about 120 megabytes a second, so it varies depending on the video. If it's like a 4K video, if it's like a heavy file, it will be a bit slower, but if it's like a normal 1080p video, it will go in straight away. Because of the lighting, my camera it's having a hard time focusing on the screen, but as you can see, everything is in there. This was 900 megabytes, almost 900 megabytes file in less than 3 seconds, so that was absolutely amazing. And if you guys want to buy it, I will have a link in the video description down below. They also offer other storage option. They have SSDs, which I'm gonna make a video for them as well. Their portable SSDs are actually great. They have bigger hard drives, they have smaller hard drives, and yeah, pretty much that's it. If you guys want to buy it, I will have a link in the video down below. And as always, thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.